Welcome. Could you please state your name for our records?
What the? You're my therapist. Is this some kind of a joke?
Mr. Hill, this is for information I'm gathering. Remember I had you sign off on being recorded this session?
Oh, yeah. So you want my name for a video thing you're doing?
Exactly, Mr. Hill. Now tell me, do you know why you're here?
No, you just told me to come on in today.
The reason I've asked you to come here today is because I'd like to ask you a few questions in regards to a topic that we haven't really dove into yet. One I feel may be touching on some uncomfortable territory for you, Mr. Hill.
Oh, God. What is it?
I'd like to talk about your former TV show, King of the Hill.
What in the hell are you talking about? I was never on a TV show.
Mr. Hill, you're on a TV show called King of the Hill for 13 years. It had exactly 259 episodes.
I knew I shouldn't have listened to Peggy when she recommended you. You're a quack and I'm out of here.
Mr. Hill, let me cut to the chase. I'm asking this because I'm hoping to form a group therapy session entitled Canceled Icons. Where are they now? It'll focus on three main protagonists from canceled TV shows and how it's affected their lives since then, and what they're doing now that their respective shows are off the air.
You know what? I was never on a TV show, although I do admit I like the name. King of the Hill. Got a nice ring to it.
Mr. Hill, please sit back down so we can continue the session. I feel it would be beneficial for us to explore this. So, you say you were never on TV?
No, I wasn't. I've sold propane and propane accessories, but nothing even close to what you're claiming.
Mr. Hill, what would it take to convince you to appear on my TV special? Money? Or something more along the lines of telling you Mr. Strickland is actually sponsoring this and wants you to be the face of the company for the night?
Buck is actually sponsoring this? What for? And why doesn't he want to appear instead? I mean, he is the face of the company after all.
That's a good question, Hank. Honestly, when he found that his employee was seeking psychiatric cure, he wanted to show that Strickland Propane helps its employees succeed. His exact words.
Oh, God. Hey, wait a minute. Isn't that a break in confidentiality or something? You're not supposed to give him my file and let anybody know what we talk about? Well, that's it. If you broke the law, then I'm going to have no choice but to kick your ass, I'll tell you what.
No, I assure you, Mr. Hill, he only knows about this because of insurance purposes.
Oh, yeah, that's right. There was that form I had to fill out. Oh, boy. All right, so when is this, next week?
Yes.
I guess if it's for the company, I'll be there. Good Lord, what did I just agree to?